Okay, so today's video is a sequel of my last video in which I have generated or scraped the YouTube, specifically YouTube channels, and I've shown that sheet to you as well. This is the sheet where I scrape different YouTube channels and the videos which are performing well, specifically from like sort of mystery niche. And I was working on a project of that sort, so today I have generated an automation in which it will be creating a script for that video which I'll be generating, and the script will be generated in such a way that it fetches the data from the sheet, specifically from sheet 1. Like if I wanted to create a video on this first topic, it will fetch it first of all gonna see whether the status is pending or done. If it's pending, then it will gonna fetch the row, and we're gonna move on from there. And here in this if node is checking on either the topic is empty or not. If it is empty, then it will gonna go to the false node and we're gonna stop the automation. And if it's true, then it will gonna go to the AI agent where it's generating different chapters for that very specific topic, and from there it is like splitting those chapters to different items using the code node. I did that, and then from there on the AI agent using Gemini's LLM, it is generating the script chapter wise, and is generating in such a way that the second chapter resonates first chapter, and like there is a sequence between the first chapter. If first chapter is of introduction, then from 2 to the chapter number 9 it will be like the whole story. There will be climax and all that, and in the last chapter we will be having a moral or something like conclusion of that story. And from here on it aggregates those all chapters into one item and creates a document, a Google Docs, and then updates that document using the script I have generated. And again, so it will be like updating that sheet as well to the status to be done, that we have like generated the whole script. And this is the whole automation I have built today. So thanks for watching.